To properly prepare for exams, you must know the material that you will be tested on.
Start by looking at the course outline and the learning outcomes. The course outline will tell you exactly what was covered in the course. Learning outcomes are an excellent reminder of the course's main ideas and concepts. These are clues to what's going to be covered on your exams and tests.
If a certain topic is covered in both your textbook and in lecture, it is important to study.
Listen for clues, such as the professor mentioning a topic more than once.
That's a good point. The professor's emphasis may indicate if a topic is an important one for an exam or test.
If you do not understand something in your class, ask people in your class and see if they can help you, or talk to your professor. They will be happy to help.
A few weeks before your test or exam, create a study schedule and book some time for some study sessions.
You should break down test material into smaller chunks so you can focus on one topic at a time. Here's a weekly schedule that Courtney uses.
Notice that she has clear goals set up for each study session. This ensures that she will cover all of the material so she is ready for the exam. She allows herself extra time to review any topic she's having difficulty with, or just in case something comes up that pushes her schedule back.
Study the difficult topics first, because you'll need more time to learn them.
It's tempting to study the easier topics first, but if something comes up or you're pressed for study time, you'll not have time to go back to those more difficult topics.
So allow more time for the hard stuff.
Try to study in different places. Study at home or at the library, alone or in a group. This helps you be more productive and not get bored. Study in 45-minute intervals and take 10-minute breaks. Use your break to take a walk outside, make a snack, or grab a glass of water so you can relax and clear your mind.